Get ready for the dictation on the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Unemployment in India is a major concern with the rate rising in recent years due to factors such as economic slowdown and COVID-19 pandemic. As of 2021, the unemployment rate in India was estimated to be around 6 to 7%. The government has implemented various schemes to create job opportunities and address unemployment, but it remains a challenge in the country. In addition to the reasons mentioned, there are other factors that contribute to unemployment in India, such as lack of skill development, mismatch between education and job market demand, slowdown creation, and informal sector dominance. The government has taken steps to address these challenges by launching schemes such as Skill India, Make in India, and Startup India, among others. Despite these efforts, the problem of unemployment continues to persist and requires sustained efforts from both the government and private sector. Furthermore, unemployment has an impact on the overall economy of India as it leads to lower consumer spending, reduced demand for goods and services, and decreased economic growth. Unemployment also leads to social issues such as poverty and crime. To tackle these challenges, the government needs to focus on creating job opportunities in both rural and urban areas, improving the skill development system, and promoting entrepreneurship. Additionally, the private sector can play a crucial role by investing in job creating sectors and providing skill training programs to employees. The challenge of unemployment in India requires a multi-pronged approach to ensure sustainable economic growth and improve the standard of living for all citizens. In India, unemployment is a multifaceted issue that requires a comprehensive approach to address. One of the main reasons for unemployment in India is the lack of job creation, especially in the formal sector. The informal sector, which is largely unorganized and unregulated, employs a large portion of the working age population in India but offers limited job security and poor working conditions. In addition, there is a significant mismatch between the skills offered by the education system and the skills demanded by the job market. As a result, many graduates are unable to find suitable employment. Another factor contributing to unemployment in India is the lack of investment in job creating sectors such as infrastructure and manufacturing. The COVID-19 pandemic has only exacerbated the situation, leading to widespread job losses and a slowdown in economic activity. To address the problem of unemployment, the government needs to focus on creating an enabling environment for job creation and promoting entrepreneurship. This can be achieved through various means such as providing tax incentives and subsidies to companies that create jobs, improving the skill development system, and promoting entrepreneurship through schemes such as Startup India. Additionally, the government can create job opportunities in rural areas by investing in agriculture and allied sectors and promoting cottage industries. The private sector also has a crucial role to play in addressing unemployment in India. Companies can invest in job creating sectors, provide skill training programs to employees, and promote diversity and inclusion in the workplace to ensure equal job opportunities for all citizens. In conclusion, unemployment is a major challenge in India that requires sustained efforts from both the government and private sector. By creating job opportunities, improving the skill development system, and promoting entrepreneurship, India can build a more inclusive and sustainable economy that provides opportunities for all citizens. Furthermore, the government can implement policies to promote labor intensive industries such as tourism, textiles, and handicrafts, which have the potential to create large scale employment opportunities. Moreover, the government can also focus on strengthening the micro, small, and medium enterprises MSME sector, which is a major contributor to job creation in the country. In addition to these efforts, there is a need for greater investment in research and development to spur innovation and create new job opportunities. The government can also encourage the private sector to invest in research and development by providing tax incentives and subsidies. Another aspect of addressing unemployment in India is to improve the quality of education and align it with the job market demand. The government can work with industry leaders to design a curriculum that prepares students for the skills that are in high demand. Moreover, the government can also focus on promoting vocational training programs that equip students with hands on skills that are relevant to the job market. Finally, it is important to address regional imbalances in job creation and ensure equal job opportunities for all citizens, regardless of their background. The government can promote job creation in underdeveloped regions by providing tax incentives and subsidies to companies that invest in these areas. In conclusion, addressing unemployment in India requires a multifaceted approach that involves the government, private sector, and the education system. By working together to create job opportunities, improve skill development, and promote entrepreneurship, India can build a more inclusive and sustainable economy that provides opportunities for all citizens.